Collecting and utilizing subscriber demographic data. A comprehensive guide to segmenting subscribers based on demographics. Segmenting subscribers based on demographics is an effective strategy to personalize your marketing efforts and deliver targeted messages to specific customer groups. In this tutorial, you will learn how to collect and utilize subscriber demographic data to improve your email campaigns and maximize their impact. Let's dive right in. 1. Choose the right data collection methods. Use sign-up forms. Incorporate fields for demographic information, such as age, gender, location, occupation, and interests in your sign-up forms to collect data during the onboarding process. Surveys and polls. Create surveys or polls to gather detailed information from your subscribers. This can be done through email, website pop-ups, or dedicated survey tools. Analytics tools. Leverage analytics platforms to track user behavior and gather insights on demographics, such as the percentage of subscribers from specific countries or the average age of your audience. Purchase data. Consider purchasing third-party data from reputable providers to enrich your existing datasets. 2. Store and organize the data. Centralize CRM. Use a customer relationship management (CRM) system to store and manage subscriber data securely. This will allow you to easily access and analyze the information you collect. Segmentation tags. Implement segmentation tags or labels within your CRM to categorize subscribers based on various demographic factors. This will facilitate personalized targeting in your email campaigns. 3. Analyzing and segmenting demographic data. Age-based segmentation. Divide subscribers into different age groups based on the information collected, allowing you to tailor your messages and offers to specific generations or age brackets. Gender-based segmentation. Segment your subscribers based on gender to send gender-specific content or offers that resonate with your audience. Location-based segmentation. Categorize subscribers by their geographic location or time zone for targeted promotions, event notifications, or localized content. Occupation-based segmentation. Create segments based on the professional background of your subscribers to deliver industry-specific content and offers. Interest-based segmentation. Utilize subscriber interests and hobbies to create segments that receive tailored content related to their preferences. Purchase history. Analyze subscriber purchase history to identify high-value customers or commonly purchased products. Tailor your marketing campaigns accordingly to encourage repeat purchases or cross-selling opportunities. 4. Personalize email campaigns using demographic segmentation. Customized content. Craft personalized emails using the collected data to create messages that resonate with your subscribers' demographics. For example, sending a promotional offer for a women's clothing line to female subscribers. Subject line optimization. Optimize subject lines using demographic data. Consider using language or keywords that appeal to specific segments, such as exclusive offer for millennials or local event for New York subscribers. Time and frequency. Schedule email campaigns based on geographic location and time zones. Send emails at appropriate times for higher open rates and engagement. Dynamic content. Utilize dynamic content modules to automatically display tailored sections within your emails based on subscribers' demographics. This allows you to provide an individualized experience and relevant content to each segment. 5. Monitor and evaluate campaign performance. Track metrics. Monitor key performance indicators such as open rates, click-through rates, conversion rates, and revenue generated for each segmented campaign. A/B testing. Conduct A/B tests to compare the impact of different messages or offers on different demographic segments. Use the insights gained to refine your strategies and improve future campaigns. Continuous optimization. Regularly analyze results and adjust your campaigns based on the performance of each demographic segment. This ensures continuous improvement and better results over time. By effectively collecting and utilizing subscriber demographic data, you can personalize your marketing efforts, increase engagement, and drive conversions. Implement the strategies outlined in this tutorial to segment your subscribers based on demographics and enhance the effectiveness of your email campaigns.